Now, unless you have been living under a rock, you're probably familiar with Google's most important innovations like Google Maps, DeepMind, Gemini, and Bard. Now, in 2024, Google just shattered all boundaries of its potential with the launch of Willow, a quantum computing champion. Revealed with a bold announcement, Willow has already begun redefining the limits of what technology can achieve in today's day and age. Now imagine solving a problem that would take 47 long years on the world's fastest supercomputer in just 5 seconds. Now take this a step further. Google's Willow can actually solve really complex calculations in just seconds, and it would take around a septillion years for a classical computer to solve it. Yes, that is one followed by 24 zeros. This isn't just a breakthrough, it is a quantum revolution, showing us the depth and potential of technology to tackle problems using quantum mechanics that we couldn't even dream of solving before. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Selena, and in this week's video, we are going to discuss about Google's latest development, Willow. And not just that, we'll also dive deeper into the world of quantum computing. Together, we'll explore what quantum computing really is and how it works, and how it emerged as a solution for complex problems like the RSA encryption problem. And we'll also see who are the other competitors in this field of quantum computing and what is the future of technology. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Willow's quantum chip looks like it is straight out of a sci-fi movie. It is sleek, shiny, and packed with cutting-edge technology. It is about the size of a coin, but don't let its size fool you. It has got intricate laser-etched patterns on it that control the flow of quantum information. Before understanding the working of quantum computers, let us first learn why we needed quantum computers in the first place. Why were traditional computers not enough to solve the problems of complexity and speed? Traditional computers use bits to represent information. That can be either 0 or 1. And quantum computers, on the other hand, use qubits to process information. And these can hold the states of 0 and 1 at the same time due to the principle of superposition. This gives supercomputers the potential to process vast amounts of data much faster than classical computers. A qubit, short for quantum bit, is the fundamental unit of information in quantum computers. Think of it like a spinning coin. While it is spinning, it can have both states, either 0 or 1, and then later it collapses to either 0 or 1. So this property allows quantum computers to process many possibilities at once. Qubits can also be entangled with each other, meaning that if you figure out the state of one qubit, you will instantly know the state of another, no matter the distance between them. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations that require the simultaneous interaction between qubits. Qubits interact with each other in a way that can lead to interference. This is used in quantum algorithms to amplify the probability of correct answers while reducing that of the incorrect ones. Just like classical computers perform operations on bits using logical gates like AND, OR, and NOT, quantum computers apply these operations on qubits using quantum gates. These qubits and their properties are the foundation for modern quantum computing. The manipulation of superposition, entanglement, and interference has led to the development of Willow. However, one major challenge in quantum computing is that qubits are very fragile and they are prone to error due to their sensitivity to the environment. Quantum error correction is a method of protecting these qubits and making sure that they can give accurate results despite these issues. In this race, Willow stands out because it has successfully demonstrated that increasing the number of qubits in a system can reduce the overall error rate. Now, this is a milestone in quantum computing research that scientists have carried out for decades now. This breakthrough in quantum computing brings us closer to revolutionizing the field that quantum computing is mainly aiming at, and that is cryptography. The need for quantum computers largely arose from their potential to revolutionize cryptography. Cryptography is the process of securing information using codes and encryption, and it is the backbone of today's cybersecurity. For example, when you make an online payment or log into a website, It is encryption that is used to secure your passwords or credit card numbers from hackers. One of the most common encryption techniques today is the RSA encryption. For example, if you have a huge number, let's say 1,000 digits long, it would take a classical computer an incredible amount of time to figure out what prime numbers were used or multiplied together to form that number. And this is the security that the RSA encryption method depends on. Now, quantum computers can break this security. The reason is that quantum computers with their unique capabilities can perform certain calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. One of the most famous algorithms that a quantum computer uses to break the RSA encryption is called the Shor's algorithm. While using a large and capable enough quantum computer, the quantum computer can break this RSA encryption in the fraction of time that it would take for a classical computer, even for the digits that are considered too large. Now, this is a threat because it means that if we don't develop new cryptographic systems quickly enough, the security of much of the online world will be compromised once a powerful quantum computer has been launched. But quantum computers like Willow will still be needed in developing new cryptographic technologies that are safe from the quantum computing future. But just like every other technology, Google is not the only contender in this race for quantum supremacy. There are other companies who have done a lot of work in the field of quantum computing. IBM has developed quantum processors like the IBM Quantum Hummingbird and the Eagle. It has also made a significant contribution by introducing the IBM Quantum, which is a cloud platform that allows researchers and developers to use the quantum software remotely. Microsoft is also investing heavily in the quantum computing world through its Azure quantum platform that offers access to quantum simulators and various hardware backends. Google has long focused in making quantum computing practically feasible in fields like chemistry, logistics, and machine learning. Willow might actually bring us closer to the stage where we are able to solve real-world problems that classical computers struggle to solve. For example, it could lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery, material science, and even artificial intelligence by simulating the quantum systems even more efficiently. Let us take the example of the problem of climate change and how quantum computing can be used to solve this problem in the future. Our classical systems fail to capture the complexity and scale of these systems. Quantum computers could model these systems way more accurately. By using quantum computing to solve the problems of carbon capture, energy storage, and climate modeling, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. So there you have it, folks. Willow isn't just a step forward, it is a big long jump in the field of quantum computing. I hope you enjoyed this video and got to know more about Google's newest invention, Willow. And if you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back next week with another video. Till then, thank you for watching and see you again.